That feeling you think your floors are clean until the light hits just right. Hidden dust and allergens are tucked away in the shadows of your home. But today, cleaning gets a high-tech upgrade. Introducing the JIMMY H11 Pro, a vacuum designed to reveal what you've been missing and handle it with ease. Versatility is at the heart of the H11 Pro. It's not just for floors. With a specialized soft brush, you can effortlessly clean dust from delicate curtains and walls. Need to deep clean your furniture? Switch to the dedicated upholstery tool to remove clutter and mites from your sofa and mattresses. And for those stubborn gaps behind radiators or tight corners, the Precision Crevice tool ensures no spot is left untouched. It's a complete 360-degree cleaning solution. Craftsmanship meets modern aesthetics. The H11 Pro features a premium metallic finish that feels as good as it looks. The extension tube is built from high-grade materials, offering a sturdy yet lightweight feel that won't fatigue your arm. Every joint clicks with precision, reflecting the industrial excellence JIMMY is known for. It's built to last and designed to complement the modern home interior. Intelligence is built in. The Vibrate LED Smart Display provides real-time feedback on your cleaning status, including battery life and current suction mode. Choose from Eco for light testing, Max for daily messes, or Turbo when you need raw power. And the best part, a massive battery that delivers up to 90 minutes of runtime. That's enough power to deep clean your entire house twice over on a single charge. Experience effortless movement. The H11 Pro features a highly flexible brush head that glides around furniture and legs and navigates tight spaces with surgical precision. But the real game changer is the flexible joint. It allows the vacuum to bend so you don't have to, making it easy to reach deep under beds and low sofas. Whether you're transitioning from hard parquet to thick carpets, the motorized floor head adjusts its power to lift deep-seated dirt from every fiber. When the job is done, the H11 Pro sits neatly in its dedicated storage dock, charging and ready for the next mission. It's organized, powerful, and ready to transform your cleaning routine. Click the link below to get yours and start cleaning smarter today. JIMMY H11 Pro. The future of cleaning is here.